my forearms before I started using the IPL machine. I used it every single day consistently for 2 weeks. Result. And now I don't get any hair growth. Have you ever wondered how celebrities, K-pop stars, all these influencers have just such flawless skin and their skin just seems to have no hair for some reason? And you're out here wondering, how are all these girls literally staying so hairless and so flawless while I'm here in the shower, shaving my legs, shaving my skin every single day, using my shaver, and there's always these like razor bumps and you just experience so much inconvenience with it because you have to do it every single day. Babes, they don't do that. What they use is an IPL machine. This is the beauty hack that literally no one talks about enough, but you wonder how all these girls are just so hairless in their entire body. Not that there's anything wrong with having hair. If that is the aesthetic you like, go for it. But personally for me, I like the clean look. I like it when my skin looks clean and flawless and hairless. So I like to use this Ulike IPL machine to just zap onto my entire body at the convenience of my own home and getting rid of all of my hair, getting rid of all of my body hair, my face hair. And the best part is there is absolutely no pain. I have been using this product for the past 6 to 7 months, maybe even more. And I made a video with Ulike before talking about all of how to use and guidelines and things like that. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. And there I show you guys, I literally tried it on my 11-year-old sister to see if there is any pain. And again, there is absolutely zero pain. That is the best thing about IPL machines, is that if you go to a laser appointment, which I have for the longest time for my armpits, because I didn't want to worry about having to shave my skin every single time, and it still doesn't look perfect. So I went to the laser appointment. Needless to say, it was so much pain, you guys. Like, it is literally not easy to become beautiful. I'm like, every single time I'm like, oh my gosh, it literally hurts so much. But obviously I wanted clean, hairless, flawless skin. But then after I discovered this Ulike IPL machine, I don't have to go to my expensive laser appointments anymore. And I just get to do this at home and get rid of all of the hairs in the comfort of my own bathroom with zero pain, all by myself. Yes, it is an investment, but I would say these are one of the few products that I would actually really recommend to all of my friends and family, because it is technically, if you look at it from a long term, it is saving a lot more money if you decided to go get it lasered versus using a IPL machine at home. So this was how my skin looked like. I also showed this in my last video with Ulike. This was my forearms before I started using the IPL machine. And then I used it every single day consistently for 2 weeks, which created this result. And now I'm at a point where it is more of a maintenance. I don't get any hair growth except very slight bits. And I would just zap it maybe once every couple of weeks, once a month. It's really like a low maintenance thing, and I don't need to worry about my hair growth as much as I did when I was shaving my hair every single day. So you might be wondering, okay, how does that even work? This IPL machine radiates certain light onto the roots of your hair follicles. And with each zapping, it transmits light onto the roots and it gets rid of the melatonin inside the hair follicles, which is why it gets rid of the color and eventually helps to get rid of any hair growth. This specific Ulike product, specifically the Air 10 model, comes with a ice cooling technology, which is amazing because it comes with this cooling effect at the zapper. So when you zap it, literally zero sensation because you have this cooling technology with this specific product. Now, Air 10 also comes with 4 different types of modes: the high mode, the low mode, the SHR mode, and the fast mode. For me, if I'm doing maintenance, which is for my entire full body, it takes me about 10 minutes a day to zap onto every single part that I worked on. And for that, I would just use the fast mode. But on certain days where I'm like, okay, I want to really get rid of this part as quick as possible and get the best results, because this does give you results in 2 weeks, I would use the high mode. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this so that you guys can see how easy and convenient the usage is. I would just click on this power button. And when you turn it on, you start seeing this dual light. I'm going to show you how it looks like. It would create this dual light. Now I'm gonna wait for 1 minute, or honestly like a couple of seconds is fine, to let this cool. And while I'm waiting, I am going to put on the sunglasses that Ulike provides. These sunglasses are very different from your regular sunglasses because they really protect your eyesight from this laser light, which is very different from your normal UV ray or sun rays. So I already shaved my forearms already, so I'm just gonna start zapping this machine onto my skin to show you how it would feel. So right now it is on fast mode. If you want to do this really quickly, so you can do like a full body, it takes me about like 10 minutes if I do my entire body using fast mode. But today I'm going to change the mode into high. Your forearms, or the area that you want to zap into. I'm going to change the mode into high so I can get the most effective results. So again, that dual light, this is the newest feature in the Air 10 model, and that's how it works. As you can see how very easy. You just put it onto your forearms, or the area that you want to zap into, and then you just start tapping it on, and it gets rid of all of the hair follicles. So one of the best things about Ulike is it comes with this feature where it shows a red light when you try to zap onto a part of the skin that could be unsafe. So if you have certain bumps, or if that area is just more sensitive or just too thin, things like that, there's just a lot of million different reasons why it could be not as safe when you zap onto that area. That is what the Ulike prevents it from, which is why you just know that it's always going to be safe using Ulike. But I do feel a little bit of a sensation, like a tingle, when I use it on my bikini area. But that is something that you obviously have to consider because it's a very sensitive area. It also comes with a guideline on how many times you should zap onto certain parts. So for example, your forearms, you can zap it 2 to 3 times and it should just be more than enough. Woo! Okay. So if you guys are interested in using Ulike's product, I would highly recommend checking out my description box. This is a great gift idea, especially if you are looking for a gift for someone who loves doing self-care, who loves, taking care of their body, taking care of their skin. This is perfect.